If you're watching this video, it's because you probably have had this situation where you've got a background that's rolling down by itself and getting away from you. This can be a big problem because what it does is it basically ruins half your background being scrumpled up on the floor, and it's not that difficult a problem to fix. If you're using an Expan system with a kind of wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted system such as these here, you'll notice that the side that does not have the chain actually has this little screw here. If yours doesn't, it's probably not the right one and you should probably speak to the people you bought it from. But basically we have this little spot right here. So what this does is this screw allows me to adjust how tightly this part here is being held by the part that goes into the hook. This is important because the more I tighten it, the more resistance it places on there and then allows the background to kind of be held when I let go of the chain. What it does also do is keep in mind that by tightening this up too much, it can make a chain very difficult to move, so you have to find a balance between the two. But there you have it. So if you've got a background running away from you and you want a solution, try this one. If there's anything else you want photographically or video-wise, visit your local Dragon Image. Thanks.